In this video, you will learn how to make copies with your PaperCut account, also known as GatorPrint, using your student ID card. At the start of each semester, students are issued a print credit. Students will also be able to add funds to their account to print additional pages when needed. The cost of black and white printing is 10 cents per single-sided page, and the cost of color printing is 25 cents per single-sided page.
So, how do I make copies with my GatorPrint account?
Before you are able to make copies, you will need to use the password reset tool to reset your password for your student-assigned college email account. If you have already completed this step, then you do not need to do it again. Then, make sure you have been issued your student ID card. If not, you can go to the Student Affairs Department so they can issue you one.
Where are the student copiers located?
Student copiers are usually located in our Learning Commons area at each campus, but they may also be located in different areas on your campus or site. Please ask your librarian at your location, so they can help you locate the student copiers at your location.
So, how do I use the copier with my student ID card?
All NTCC students will have to associate their student ID card first before they can use it to make copies. To associate your student ID card, first, tap your student ID card to the student copier reader located to the left of the display screen. Click on the username box, and then use the on-screen keyboard to type in your college email username, and then click on the OK button. Next, click on the password box, and then use the on-screen keyboard to type in your college email password, and then click on the OK button. Please pay attention when entering your college email password since it is case sensitive, so make sure you type it correctly. Press the green Set button when you have finished typing in your information. You should see the screen stating that your card has been associated with your user account. If you did not get this screen, please repeat the steps, and make sure you typed in your college email username and password correctly. Now you will be able to use your student ID card to make copies. Swipe your student ID card on the copier reader located to the left of the display screen, or if you forgot your student ID card, you can log in with your college email username and password and then press the login button. On the next screen, select the device functions icon on the screen to make copies. You will see the account confirmation screen, where you can see your account information and balance. Press the next button to continue. Make sure that the color selection is set to black and white, or you will be charged for color copies. Select how many copies you want, and then press the Start button. Once you finish, press the Authentication/Logout button to exit. Make sure you log out every time you use the copier, so no one else can use your GatorPrint account. Congratulations! You have now associated your student ID card and made your first copy with your GatorPrint account.